SLOSMASHN.
Hello everybody, it's your past Slow Smashing with another fantastic tale of smashing and bashing. It's slow motion. And in this tale, boy, Master Shredder, Red Cat, do some like shoulder flies right here, just on one arm right here with this heavy, like, what thing is this, like 6 scale? Yeah, big old truggy beast right here. We're gonna take it on its first bash right here. 4S, we're gonna do it, and now. Big ass mountain, I'm out of breath right now. Look at this thing. Look how tiny that big Titan down there is. It's like a little Hot Wheels toy right there. It's as big as a shredder back there. Anyways, gotta get your cardio. Get your cardio in so you don't be like slow smashing out of breath. Stop smoking cigars. First bash, first smash impressions with the 4S shredder. You know what? I can respect people putting 6S in this, but 4S is plenty of fun. At least for me, just digging like just cool, ready to run bang for a buck. $360 for a 1/6 scale, I think. For this big old truggy thing. Look at this big old truggy thing. All right, welcome back. Hope you all enjoyed that smashing tail with the Master Shredder Red Cat right here. It was awesome fun. See, I think 4S is just cool for this thing. You mod it more, put more power in there, and start breaking things. But I like the simplicity and fun of ready to runs now. Not like when I was younger days where I just like tinker with them and keep tinkering. But now, yeah, have fun with it. RGR and move on to the next platform. That's where I stand right now. Slow smashing stand. But y'all let me know what you think about it downstairs in the comments below. Until next tale, smash your bell, smash your thumb, subscribe already because we are Red Cat Shredder smashing out.